Ever pushed code straight to main and broken the build for your entire team? There's a better way. A pull request, or PR, is a formal request to merge code changes from one branch into another. You finish work on your own feature branch, then open a PR to propose bringing those changes into the main code base. It's a structured handoff. You're saying, here's what I built. I'd like this included. The whole point of a pull request is to enable code review before anything gets merged. Before your code lands in production, teammates can read through it, catch bugs, question assumptions, and suggest improvements. That review gate is what protects the codebase from mistakes that are obvious in hindsight, but invisible when your head's down in the code. Pull requests are a built-in collaboration feature on platforms like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. When you open one, the platform shows a diff. Exactly what lines changed, added, or removed. Reviewers can leave comments on specific lines, request changes before approval, or give a green checkmark. Once approved, the branch merges in cleanly. A pull request is how professional teams merge, review, and collaborate on code safely. Try opening one on your very next feature. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.